What is VLOOKUP? The vertical lookup or VLOOKUP function in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to search for a specific value in a column of data and retrieve related information from another column. The VLOOKUP function has four main components. Lookup value, the value you want to find. Table array, the range of cells, where Excel should look for the data. Column index number, the column number from which you want to retrieve the data. Range lookup, a logical value, true or false, that specifies whether you want an approximate match, TRUE, or an exact match, false. For most cases, we use false for an exact match. The above table contains the data of this month. We shall bring the last month's data below this table using the VLOOKUP function. In cell B7 we type is equal to VLOOKUP, open bracket, select cell A2 and freeze the column A using $, comma, select the table from the last month sheet, range A1 to AF6, and freeze the cells using the $, comma. As the first number is in column 2, we type 2 for column index number, comma. We want the exact match, hence we type 0, for exact match, close bracket and hit enter. Let us copy and paste the formula in other cells to see what happens. We observe that the result is the same. This is because the column index number is 2, and we need to change the same to get the right result. Hence we edit the same in column 3 and change the column index number from 2 to 3. In the D column, we change the column index number from 2 to 4, in the E column. As we are working with a large amount of data, this method is very slow and prone to mistakes. So we will use the column function and the column index number. We type is equal to, VLOOKUP, open bracket, select cell A2, and freeze the column using $function, comma. Select the table from the last month sheet and freeze the cells using the $, comma. Type column, open bracket, and close bracket, comma. We want the exact match, hence we type 0, for exact match, close bracket and hit enter. Now when we copy-paste the formula in the adjoining cells, the correct data gets pulled from the data set. This is how VLOOKUP function works with data which is exact match. Now let us see, when we can use the approximate match. Then there is another function in the range lookup option which is the approximate match. We activate the same by using the true function. Below is the incentive table. If the daily sale is between 0 to 10,000, then the incentive earned is 0. If the sale is between 10,000 to 20,000, the incentive earned is 100, and so on. In our data there are no round figures. As there is no option for exact match, we cannot use false, or 0 in the range lookup. Here we will use true or 1 for range lookup. In cell B12, we type, is equal to, VLOOKUP, open bracket, select cell B6, comma. We do not need to freeze any row or column here so we will not be using the $sign here. Select incentive table from cell B27 to cell C37, and freeze the range using the $sign, comma. We type 2 for column index number, comma, and type 1 for closest match. One important thing to note here is, the tables should be sorted in ascending order for this formula to work. Close bracket and hit enter. Copy-paste the formula in the other cells. The incentives have been pulled in the cells accordingly. The sale of day 1 is between 30,000 to 40,000, hence the incentive is 300. The sale of day 6 is above 100,000, hence the incentive is 1,000. We've covered the basics, syntax, and real-life examples. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials and data-driven content.